I'm Bill Howman. I'm Senior Vice President and CIO at Republic Services, and basically I'm responsible for all of the information technology within the company. Republic Services is the second largest waste management company in the United States. We have about 300 landfills, about 250 hauling divisions, and about 100 recycling facilities across the United States. We're an $8.5 billion company, Fortune 300. Back in 2008, December of 2008, Republic Services bought Allied Waste, and instantly Republic Services became the number 2 player in the industry.
My name is Mike Kickert. I work for Republic Services. I'm the Director of IT Support, and what I manage is not only the support, but the security and the provisioning for identity management. Because of the acquisitions and mergers, we had a significant number of the systems that doubled the footprint that we were trying to provision to. Identity management is a journey. You have to find a strong partner and a strong software solution, and that's what the IBM security solution does for us.
We looked at a number of vendors. We went through a formal selection process, and we chose IBM. They were by far and away the best product. So once we chose the technology, then we needed to look at implementation partners. IBM brought to us a company called Prolifics. They had very deep expertise in their security practice. What we found with Prolifics was a partner who was willing to work with us and work with our development methodologies, let us have some degree of control of the project, but brought with them tremendous knowledge, tremendous work ethic, and really have been a partner over the last 2 years to put this in place.
My name is Rachel Glonick. I'm the IT Security Supervisor for Republic Services. The products that are part of our solution are the Identity Manager, the Access Manager, Federated Identity Manager products from IBM.
At Republic Services, at the implementation of the first several phases of this IBM security solutions, it's brought us the ability to reduce the number of contractors we had temporarily post-merger, helping us do provisioning. In addition to that, it also gave us more visibility for audit, and it streamlined the entire process. We brought our SLA for provisioning down from 72 to 96 hours down to same day.
Before automating, everything was completely manual, so a provisioner had to log into an application, go through sometimes several screens to set up a user, to change access for a user, and some of our applications could take as long as 15 minutes just to go in and change a user, to add somebody to it. After implementing the IBM Business Solution, security solution, we were able to cut back a lot on that because now we have some automated application provisioning that we've been able to implement where once an approval is received, the application access is set up instantly. So people where they were waiting 3 days before are now getting it in 3 minutes.
Now we have that single system that they can use to see which of our users have access to what systems and what are their rights within those systems. So it gives them really that single access point. It allows user self-service. So it has reduced significantly the number of calls to our help desk for password reset.
Being a SOX organization, the audit perspective cannot be discounted. Absolutely not. And we found that the value of the IBM security solutions is immeasurable. It's made the last 2 years internal and external audit almost painless.
As we look at where the company is going, and one of the specific growth areas is national accounts for us. We have about 500 of these customers. We intend to grow that business, double that business in the next 4 years. So we will grow it from a $500 million business to a $1 billion business. Each of these customers have unique demands, and what we found through the IBM Security Suite is the ability to fulfill those demands. Where we're going in the future is mobility. Think about it, 18,000 trucks that are on the move daily, hauling trash, going to landfills, picking up recyclables. We're installing onboard computing into those vehicles. And along with that come a lot of concerns about really data security. This is a very complex. It's a multi-year, multifaceted project. And the great thing is that in working with IBM and Prolifics, they are truly partners who have helped us to work through those challenges. And no matter what the technology, no matter what the demands from Republic, we work together as a team to really get through and resolve those.